Hi Flutter developers, welcome back to another amazing Flutter tutorial. In this video, we will build a complete authentication flow in Flutter including a login screen, a register screen, and a stylish home screen with a logout feature. This is perfect for beginners who want to learn form validation, user navigation, and session management, all with a beautiful UI. So let's start it. I already do code. I will explain it step by step. Login screen is a stateful widget to allow user input and interactions. Constructor for login screen widget. Create state for login screen. Final identifier. Text editing controller. Controller for username or email input. Controller for password input. Flag to toggle password visibility. Scaffold used for screen UI. Clip RR for circular image. Login to your account. Username or email text field. Password field. Hide the password text. Lock icon. Show obscured password. Hide obscured password. Toggle password visibility. This is login button that moves to the home screen. Register text that navigate to the register screen. Button press. Now we will move to the register screen. A register screen is a stateful widget to allow user input and interaction. Constructor of the screen. Create the mutable state used to validate form fields, text fields, controller for all input fields. Default selected gender. Controls password visibility. Controls confirm password visibility. Widget to build input field with label icon and basic validation. Spacing sets keyboard type. Transparent fill. Basic validation. Widget to build password or confirm password field with toggle visibility. hide text if true, toggle icon, toggle action, password must be at least 6 characters, build widget to build a gender dropdown, for male, for female, for others, update gender, extend background under app bar, horizontal padding, rounded corners, blur effect, semi-transparent white, assign form key, registration icon, create account, field form, build form fields, toggle password visibility, toggle confirm password, on register pressed go to the login. Now we'll move to the home screen. Home screen is a stateless widget show after logging, extended gradient behind app bar, title of the app bar, make app bar background transparent, remove shadow, tooltip on hover, call logout on press logout icon, background gradient, rounded corner for blurred containers, inner spacing, outer spacing, transparent white background, rounded edged white border, wrap content only, success icon, space between widgets, main message, welcome to your home screen, subscreen. Now we will see the results in emulator. Hello world username, hello world 123, other email, hello world 44 @gmail.com. Now I click on the register. Now I give her, now I write a username, hello world, click login. This is our home screen. And that's it. We have successfully built a Flutter login registration and home screen flow, complete with beautiful design and working session management. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future Flutter content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.